Hello everyone, so today we'll be making the Basque Burnt Cheesecake. This is a mini version, fits for 4 to 5 people. And I almost forgot, preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius. So let's get started. This is a 14 centimeters pan and 2 parchment papers diagonally put together, and just mush it in. Put it in there, try to make it a little bit tidy or not. Just make sure it covers maybe half of the sides. Now we have some cream cheese, sugar, 1 large egg, milk or heavy cream, and cornstarch. First we will begin by softening the cream cheese. I use room temperature cheese and it's easier to mix then. If not, you can just microwave it for 10 to 20 seconds. Add in the sugar and mix again. Now add in 1 large egg and you mix again. Mix until you get this consistency, or even smoother if you like. Add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the milk or heavy cream and you mix it until it dissolves. And then put the milk mixture into the cream cheese mixture and slowly mix until it all incorporates. Now pour it into the pan. I really like to scrape the sides so I don't waste anything. And put it into your preheated oven for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, here it is. Looking gorgeous. Take it out of the pan when it cools. I just put it on a plate and put it in the fridge overnight or 4 to 5 hours at least. So here it is, my mini Basque Burnt Cheesecake, easy to make, no machine required. So here it is, your mini Basque Burnt Cheesecake. I usually like to serve mine chilled for a few hours because I can't wait to dig in. Thank you guys for watching. If you like more videos like this, you can subscribe and thumbs up so you can always watch more of these. See you guys next time!